Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the MultiLift personal transfer lift system shown for use in a Ford full-size F-Series pickup truck with the Speedy Bar in the passenger front position. The MultiLift, as you may know, is a multiple-purpose lift designed around the unique concept that one lift does all of your lifting and transferring. So the MultiLift in combination with this Speedy Bar will get you into your vehicle. Now please note that there are videos in the notes field of this video showing you specifics of interior views, how the Speedy Bar works, lots of great information. The MultiLift involves no modification with the Speedy Bar. There's zero modification, so we simply put the adapter on the hinge. It's called the Speedy Bar, and there's zero drilling, zero modification, very strong area of the vehicle. The MultiLift itself, you'll see, is cordless, so there's nothing modified on the electrical system of the vehicle. And the MultiLift, of course, can be used in many, many different ways. So this same MultiLift that we're using in the truck, you could use it in the rear of the truck to pick up a wheelchair. You could use it in your home, again, with different accessories. We have portable bases. You can use it in RVs, SUVs, ATVs even, horses, swimming pools, you name it, portable base, whatever it is, we probably got an accessory. The idea behind the system is that one lift solves all of your lifting and transferring problems. So we're going to pull up to the vehicle right here. Now the sling, you'll notice, is actually does not have to be put in place ahead of time. So we simply have the sling underneath and wrapped around the person. So we do not need fuck.